So let's start with the follow me and your turn part. So in follow me, I am going to solve these questions and I will explain that to you. Okay. And in
Okay.
your turn part, yeah, in your turn part, you are going to solve this one and you will be explaining. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with the follow me first. So it is written, we can also order a set of numbers using greater than and less than. So these are the two symbols given over here, and they're saying that we can order a set of numbers using these symbols, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. So here we are given with this statement over there. So let's figure out this thing by reading the A part first. So it is given that identify the number that is shown in the middle. So here we need to identify this number which is given with the base 10 model. Mhm.
Tutor, I know the answer, so I'm just going to
Okay.
write down right here, and I hope I'm correct.
Okay, that's absolutely amazing the way you worked out this number. But in the follow me part, I am going to solve this question, okay? And you will get the chance to do the your turn part by your own, okay?
Okay.
So, shall I explain this thing to you now?
Yes.
Okay, so here we can see that we have given with two cubes over there that are representing thousands. So we have two thousands, that is why it is two over here in the thousands column. Then we have one flat of hundreds. So that is why we will have hundreds, 100 over here, and then we do not have any tens like this over here. We do not have any tens. So that is why we placed a placeholder in that column and then we have three ones. So that is why we have a number that is 2103. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, but for listening to me very actively, here you go with your another big five effort points and a big thumbs up.
Thank you, tutor.
You're welcome. So now let's move to the B part. So it is saying compare the first number to the middle number. Is it smaller or larger? Place the correct symbol in the box. So here we need to compare this first number with the middle one and then we need to place symbol according to that. Like what number is bigger and which one is smaller, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So here, let's compare 2764 with 2103. So we always start comparing from the highest value column. Okay. So here, the highest value column in this number is the thousands column. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So when we move to the left, columns are getting bigger by 10 times every time. That is why the leftmost column in any number would be the highest value column. Right, Prabli?
Yes.
Yes, so that is why when we compare thousands column of this number and thousands column of this number, we get to know that we have two in both the numbers, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have two thousands in this number and two thousands in this number, and we cannot get to know that which number is bigger by looking at the thousands column. So if the digits in the same column is same, so we'll move to the next column to the right. So we have now hundreds column, right?
Yes.
So in the hundreds column, we have seven in this number, the first one, and one over here. So I can see that seven is bigger than one. So I can identify that the first number is bigger than this one, 2103, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So for that, we need to place a symbol now. So I know that I place a symbol which shows that the first number is bigger. So this is the greater than symbol that represent that 2764 is greater than 2103. Mhm.
Okay.
Is it okay? Is it clear to you?
Yes, tutor.
Do you okay? Do you have any doubt till here?
No.
Okay, that's great. So do you know that why do we say this greater than symbol?
Because I'm not
Mhm.
sure about it.
That is totally fine. Okay, so if I write 5 and 4 over here, right, and I need to place a symbol. So I will always place a symbol whose mouth is open towards the bigger number. Mhm. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So that is why when we read this statement, it would be 5 is greater than 4. But if I write the numbers other way around, so that would be 5 and 4 and 5 like this. So I will place the symbol whose mouth is open towards the bigger number again. So how will I read this statement now? That 4 is smaller than 5. So the name of this symbol would be smaller than and this would be greater than. Is it clear to you now?
Yes.
So do you have any doubt or do you want me to repeat anything?
No, it is clear to me.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So, as we found that this number is bigger than this one, 2103. Now, let's read the C part. So, the C part is repeat for the third number. So, we need to repeat the same for the third number and we will compare 2103 with 2050. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to find that is this number that we found over here, 2103, is greater than or smaller than 2050. So we will use the same way to find which number is bigger over here by looking at the highest value column first.
Okay.
Yes, so the highest value column we have is thousands and we have digit 2 in both the numbers.
Yes.
Yes, and then if the digit is same in both the numbers, then we will move to the hundreds column. So the in hundreds column, I can see we have 100 in this number, and in the next one we have no hundreds because there is a placeholder over there. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is why I can see that this number is bigger than 2103 is bigger than 2050.
Yes, I
Yeah.
got it.
Yes, so that is why I will place this symbol over here because the number to the left is bigger than 2050, the number to the right. So I will read this statement as 2103 is greater than or bigger than 2050. Mhm. So did you get
Yes.
it?
Yes, I got it.
And okay, that's very good. And for listening to me very actively and being so focused throughout the slide, here you go with a big star from my side and another big 5 effort points for you.
Thank you, tutor.
You're welcome. And are we good to start with the your turn now?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.